Genavatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Memphis coming at you live from the West Coast yet again. I have an unboxing for you guys today, and it's the Bassani exhaust for the Sportster, Roadster. So here it is, just an unboxing video quick. I don't have the room for it, so I'm not going to be able to set it up properly and do an unboxing, but I already went ahead and I opened it already, just so I could do a reel on Instagram if you guys want to see what's going on. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering why Bassani. If you guys seen my Instagram, or if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I already had Vance & Hines on my first Sportster, and I have 2-in-1 on my Lowrider S. It's Cobra exhaust, so it's black. You know, I got a black pipe, and after, I don't know, maybe about a year, the color's not as dark as it used to be. So I also had another set of pipes, Cobras, and those were of course chrome and steel. So this time I decided to kind of go a little bit in between, 2-in-1, and change it up, I guess, a little bit. I like the way these pipes sound. All right, I know your straight pipes, your 2-in-2, they sound great. I think they sound a little bit better than the 2-in-1s, but man, I really like the way the 2-in-1s really look. So let's just go ahead and just unbox this. And man, this is, of course, it's made in America, Anaheim, California, SoCal. So this is the unboxing of it. It's a full one piece, as you can see. Here's the white collector, all one piece. Of course, you have a clamp over here, and I thought this has some heat covers. I'm not too sure. Oh yes, they're right there, as you can see. So I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure how many you get, but it's only one of these. So maybe it's just this one right here. But you can see there's a little heat shield. The pipe looks great. It looks amazing. I'm digging the look, and of course this is for a EFI motorcycle, so EFI Sportster, so you need O2 sensors, and you have to make sure you get what you need. All right, so I believe 06 and up, you're going to need O2 sensors, so that's what that's there for. And you also have the option to go wideband O2, which is what you have right now. And these are of course, the reducers that you would need if you're using your stock tune or your stock O2 sensor. So a little bit different from my Cobra exhaust El Diablo. You don't have this option. So I've already mentioned that in my other videos. If you're planning on going wide O2 sensor, you would have to get a Two Brothers, or you would have to, it doesn't even matter. That information does not matter in this one. But anyways, as far as this setup, of course, you could go ahead and use a wideband O2 sensor, and that just gives you like the Auto Tune Smart Tune Pro. If you're using Harley OEM tuner, which I am not using, you could go ahead and do that, or you could use one of the other aftermarket. Anyways, you guys get what I'm saying. So here's your hardware, your tools. Like I said, I'm guessing just one heat shield clamp right there. You have your mounting hardware, as you can see, black, kind of blends in so it doesn't stand out too much. And here's the muffler, or the tip. As you can see, it looks good. I like the finish. We're gonna compare it. We're gonna do a sound comparison as well. But I think that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else in here other than that. So quick little cut here. I forgot to mention, you need exhaust port gaskets. You absolutely need it. None of these exhaust systems come with exhaust port gaskets, so you would have to pick these up. I got these from, of course, GetLowered. These are, I believe, the James pair. Well, you know what, they actually sell them in singles, so you would have to get two of them, right? Or you could go to your dealership and pick these up. So if you don't want any air leaks, if you don't want any, doing it twice, you're doing the install twice, you have to get exhaust port gaskets. Pick them up at your local dealer, or order them with your set of pipes. All right, so it's just a quick little cut edit there. I forgot to mention that. I got those, and believe me, I've installed exhaust systems without, you know, doing that, thinking it's, you know, it's new, it's they look fine, gaskets look, you know, they look pretty good, and I would have to, you know, install the pipes again. So get those gaskets, get those the proper stuff that you need to install these pipes, because it's gonna be a headache. You're gonna have, like I said, super hot pipes. They're gonna get discolored. They're gonna, you know, it's just gonna be a mess. So, all right, on to the video. You guys stay tuned. It's gonna be a pretty good build. And like I said, I'm gonna be comparing a lot of these parts to what I got on the Lowrider S. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.